I'm Courtney Hart. I'm a celebrity makeup artist. We're here at Merle Norman, and today we're talking about introducing color into your eye look, specifically using some really fun shades for spring 2024. So we're gonna start slow, and we're gonna introduce this green color in something called a pinpoint color. So we're actually gonna use this really pretty neutral on either side. So we'll take it on the outside corner, like this. And then also in the inside corner. So we're leaving the center a little bit open. Okay, so we've taken this neutral matte shade and we've applied it to the outside corner of the eye and the inside corner of the eye, leaving just this little dot that's bare right in the center. And what we're gonna do is take that green with a clean brush, and I'm just gonna dot it right in the center of the eye. This is a really easy way to introduce a bright color. Sometimes I also like to use these little sponge tip applicators to apply a color like this to really get a high concentration of color. Works really great with shimmers, but then you just really get that pop of color right in the center. So the next thing I'm gonna do is do a little pop right underneath. So I'm gonna take a tiny brush and a little bit more of our green shade, and look up for me. I'm gonna pop it right underneath her pupil. So it's right underneath the pop that's on the top. This is a great way to get some gentle color also while using a spring trend. Okay, now the final touch to any eye look is mascara. It just really helps draw attention to the eyes. I always recommend curling your lashes first, but then I'm gonna go in with the Wicked Lash Mascara in the color black. And I really like to get at the root of the lash and wiggle a little bit and then pull it up. And once you really get all the color distributed on the root, you can pull it up to the tip of the lash. I hope that this made you guys excited about trying out new color looks with your eye makeup. And if you want to see more, head to your local Merle Norman studio or go to merlenorman.com.